Gondor Gummy production line. Mold can be customized. Pouring speed 30 至45 min. Output can reach 15600 kilograms H. Easy to operate. Realize uniform dissolution effect. Reduce the temperature of the liquid. Accurate pouring quantity. High production capacity. Automatic stripping. Do not stick to molds. High efficiency continuous production. Meeting diverse needs. Monochrome and multicolor candy making. The mold can be customized. Soft candy display. Factory panoramic view. Exhibition hall 1000 square meters. Workshop. Packaging与 shipping.